Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a director or an official from your registered business or company online. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. To get started, you need to log into your Business Registration Service BRS portal using your eCitizen credentials. If you don't have an eCitizen account yet, click on the sign up button to create an account using your national identification number. On your BRS account dashboard, click on the View button to the right of the company that you want to remove one of the directors or officials. On top of the screen, you will see Maintain Company. Click on it. On the new window, click on Make Application to the right, and on the drop-down menu, select Change Business Particulars. On the new screen, click on Save and Continue. On the next screen, click Save and Continue again. The screen that follows will show you the particulars of the company, which includes the names of the directors of the company or officials. Under the directors or officials of your company or business that you want to remove from your company, click on the red X icon. This screen will pop up. Choose the resignation date and attach a signed resignation letter and an affidavit signed by a commissioner of oaths to confirm the same. When done, click Submit. If approved, the director or official of your company or business whom you choose will cease from being the director or official of your company or business from then. And that is it from me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. And until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptioni. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.